Today we're going to show you how original ink cartridge, compatible GS41 and our new SG400 cartridge work on SAWGRASS printers. This is original SAWGRASS ink cartridge. You can see how it displays on the printer panel and how it displays on Print Manager on computer. This is compatible GS41 ink cartridge which works on RICOH Aficio inkjet printers. You can see the printer will display non-SAWGRASS ink, and you can press this button to continue, but it will warn you again, warranty at risk. You can press this button to continue again, and after the maintenance process, it will work, but the ink level is not shown. And on the Print Manager on computer, it will display unauthorized cards, warranty voided. Okay. And this is our new SG400 ink cartridge. After the maintenance process, it will be ready, just like the original ones. Ready. And let's refresh the ink level on computer. It will show the exact ink level. Okay. And we can also take a try. We can mix the original cartridge with our SAWGRASS ink cartridge. If they work together, then our compatible SG400 cartridge works exactly the same as the original ones. Okay, it is ready now. And now let's get back to the computer side and let's refresh the ink level. See if it shows the ink level correctly. And the black and cyan is original.